I was really kind of flabbergasted at the accuracy of those quiets, the CCI quiets, because I've never really shot very many of those before. And this is a 6 shot group right here. You've got 2 of them coming in here and 2 of them coming in here. And I would get some calibers out and measure edge to edge, but that wouldn't work with this. So I'm just going to use a ruler and try to go from center to center. And the center to center measurement on this is sub 1 inch. Quite a bit sub 1 inch, any way you look at it. That's good accuracy for a round that's probably only going, man, it might be in the high 500s. That's a pretty slow bullet, but geez. I've shot a lot of Lapua and expensive ammo, and to get a group like that from that stuff, and it's not even that expensive, the ammo. It just goes to show you it's just what the gun likes. And I shot maybe 10 rounds through it to acclimate the barrel. That helps too.